Hi there, thanks for visiting the website. Thanks for showing interest in our leadership training. My name is Adrian Close. I'm the Director of Learning at Ultimate Leadership. We're a company that specialises in leadership management, coaching, and HR type courses, and we have done for many years. And my experience is not just as a qualified trainer, but I also bring real business experience to the training with my own experience of running teams from 20 people up to 1,000 people in an area role. So lots and lots of experience. When I deliver the training courses, I deliver training courses throughout London. You can see some of the companies that I've delivered to a little bit further down the page. I've delivered all the way throughout the UK. I've been over to mainland Europe, delivered in Germany, Austria, and France, and then virtually I've covered teams that are in Hong Kong, Singapore, and the USA, and then sometimes even blended. So I've got done in person where somebody from a different country is on a laptop, for example, or I've done a virtual with obviously teams all over the world. The only issue is with the time difference, but we sort all of that sort of stuff out. So that's just a brief introduction to me. You've seen just above this video, this is my new book. So my new book, Starting Strong, which is a new manager's guide to thriving in leadership, the first 100 days, which are so important. It's a cracking book. It's full of usable information that they can literally go and do as soon as they've read that page. For example, let me get let's see, it's part 4, sustaining success after the 100 days. So building a high performance team, it goes into it, uses the information that they've gone through to and then to build a high performing team. Chapter 2 is building a personal vision. So it's building the personal vision for themselves and also for their team. And once they've finished the information in there, there is a space in the book to actually create their own vision statement. It's really, really important stuff in there, and it works well for new and aspiring managers or managers that have not had a great deal of training. So there's some links to the side of this video. We've got our leadership and management training courses. There's a whole list of courses in there that you can have a look at. Those are the types of courses that we deliver. There's courses, so if it's just for you or you've just got one team member, we've got courses just for one team member on there. Business development and marketing support. So this also comes with a book, which is my book. So I published this at the same time as the Starting Strong book, which is Mastering Past Profit. We do training at various different lengths, one day up to 6 months, up to a year with the business development and marketing support, if that's of interest. And if you just want to have a discussion about your training goals and a course that I can put together, a bespoke training course, then do contact me and I'll be in touch. We'll arrange virtual chat, get all the information that I need, and then I can send you a proposal through. Awesome. Okay, thanks for listening. Have a good look around the page and also the links that are on the page, and hopefully I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.